Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishav and I'm here again with another new video. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about the assessment that you guys are going to face in next 2 days. Okay, so you guys filled the form of Cognizant exam and now you guys are getting mails of the assessment. But today many of the candidates received a mail in which the company has provided a PDF file. Okay, so in that PDF file they mention the process of downloading and running the SAB tool. Okay, so the SAB tool is just a tool that will help you to give your Cognizant exam, and in that SAB tool there is so many restrictions, like you cannot open any other app during the exam time. Okay, so what things you need to follow to set up this SAB tool in your laptop, I will demonstrate in this video. Okay, and if you are facing any problem with this SAB tool, then you can comment down your problem. I will ping you on Instagram or WhatsApp or anything and I will resolve your query. Okay, so don't get panic if you are facing any issue with your laptop or with this SAB tool. I will help you out. Okay, so let's move to the computer screen and I will tell you how this SAB tool looks like and how you can download and install it. Okay, so let's move to the computer screen. So now I am on my computer screen and this is the PDF file that company attached in the mail. Okay, so I will open this PDF file first and then I will tell you what are the steps that you have to follow to install this SAB tool. So now my PDF file is opening. Just wait for a few seconds. So this is the PDF file shared by the Cognizant company, and here you can see I am using currently Windows 8.1 version. So I am shooting this video in Windows 8.1 because as you guys know, many of the candidates are still using Windows 7 and Windows 8. So in most of the cases they find the issue in this version of Windows only. That's why I am recording this video in this operating system. And if you guys have Windows 10 or 11, then no need to worry, it will run smoothly in your system. Okay, so here you can see these are the steps they have mentioned in this PDF, like download and install safe browser. Okay, and if you face some webcam issue or anything, then here you can test it. So I will open this link, and in this link you will see these things are checked. So I will allow my webcam and my microphone, and here you can see everything is checked by green tick. It means everything is working as expected, but this audio is in warning symbol. So I will click on this one and I will say something and it will record my audio, and you can see this is also checked. So my system is in good state, everything is working as expected. So I will close this tab and now I will move down, and here you can see these are the steps they mentioned to install the Google Chrome browser. So I will also recommend you to give this exam through Google Chrome. So Google Chrome must be installed in your system and the latest version is recommended. Okay, so these are the screenshots they have provided. You can follow this and install the latest version of Google Chrome. Okay, so the next step is downloading and installing the SAB tool. Okay, so if you scroll down here you can see they have provided Windows 7, Windows 8 and 10 and 11 download links. So just you need to click on this link. For me it's Windows 8, so I will click on the Windows 8 link and this zip file will be downloaded. But in some systems of Windows 7 and Windows 8, the zip file or compressed file is not open by default. Okay, in Windows 10 and 11 it will support, but not sure that it will support in Windows 7 and Windows 8. So for opening this zip file you need a software called WinRAR. So just I will search for WinRAR and you can go to WinRAR download and you can go to the first link and you can download the latest version of WinRAR. Okay, from here. So just you need to install it, and then you need to open the zip file that is downloaded. Okay, then it will open like this, and as this is evaluation copy of WinRAR, just you need to close this pop-up and open this folder, and then you will get the exe file. So this is the exe file that you need to run to give your assessment exam. So just I will right click on this and extract it to the specified folder, and you must select the desktop. Okay, and click on OK, and it will take some seconds and extract it on the desktop. So just close this window and you will find the SAB tool on your desktop. Okay, so I will close these things, and here you can see this is the icon SAB tool.
So this is a exe file, but it will execute directly without installing. Okay, so if you open your control panel, you will not see that this software is installed in your system. It will directly click to run like thing. Okay, so I will open this, and here you can see everything is checked, but here is an issue like webcam not found. So I will refresh it again, it is giving the issue. So now if you face same issue like me, then what you need to do I will tell you. Okay, so follow along with me and I will solve your problem. Okay, so I open this PDF again to check is this issue is mentioned in the PDF. So you need to follow the same. If you face any issue or any difficulty while running this tool, you need to first check in the PDF file. If it is present in the PDF file and you are able to resolve it, then well and good. Otherwise, you can drop a comment and I will help you to resolve it. Okay, so just I will scroll down and here I can check. I will go to the microphone option and webcam option. So here you can see the similar screenshot like possible errors. After opening SAB tool, you may find the error, and they are saying like if webcam is functioning well, then please ignore this error. So I can also simply ignore this error and don't take much burden on me. So I will just wait for the next mail with the token that company will provide me, the access token, and using that token I can give my exam on the respective date. Okay, so just you need to paste the token here from the mail and then start the test. Okay, after starting the test, it will use your Google Chrome browser and open in Google Chrome browser with safe assessment. Okay, means using this SAB tool.
So hope you guys find this video helpful. I will meet you guys again in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and best of luck for the future. You can subscribe my channel to get updates on time. Bye.